Parts Explorer permits a user to look up part numbers quickly and easily. It is available to all users of Mitsubishi Pro. A login is not required. To find parts, begin by selecting a unit. Select the specific model from the list. Use the scroll bar to navigate down to the parts section. The parts manuals are listed here. Click the Parts Explorer button next to the manual to open the parts listing. Select the part category from the parts listing. With the part category expanded, select the specific part by clicking on it. Click the part number to copy it to your clipboard. Now it can be pasted in a PO, user systems, the Salesforce distributor portal, or into an email. Alternatively, the search bar may be used to look up parts by keyword or name. With a part located, click the part number to copy it to the clipboard. Click the X in the top left to close the Parts Explorer window and navigate back to MPro. Parts Explorer is also available using a mobile device. Tap the magnifying lens to begin. Next, tap the search by QR code. Using the camera, scan a unit's QR code for results. Unit details will appear. Tap Parts Explorer. The parts listing will display. Select the part and tap to copy its number to the clipboard. The part number can now be pasted into a text, email, or search field.